My YouTube folks out there, what's going on? Back at you with another one today, and today we are going to talk about what in my opinion is one of the best performing stocks as of right now. This is a stock that you can definitely swing trade right now. You can also invest for the long term, which actually is what I'm doing. I'm not swing trading this right now, nor am I day trading it right now. But if I were going to do either of those, I would I would choose Tesla. Right? Tesla is a wonderful stock to day trade or swing. Actually, I would say wonderful to swing trade. Like, you can invest if you know what you're doing, and you hit it at the right time or close to the right time, and dollar cost average while you're swing trading, which, if you look at my videos previously, you'll see my strategy is to dollar cost average and buy the dip when I swing trade. So let's look at today. Tesla is down 2.5%. And just so you know, I mean, you can see I have 130 bucks invested, not a whole lot. And I have a 1.7% gain, which is $2, a little bit over $2. I am putting in like anywhere between $5 and $20 a day on this. So right now I'm investing kind of for long-term growth. I'm not swing trading or day trading. But that's not what we're talking about. All right, so let's look at the past week. All right, so as you can see, here's the chart for Tesla. This is Cash App investing. You can invest in the stock market through Cash App. However, this is not financial advice. The stock market can be very risky. Do your own research before you invest. All right, so let's look at back on Thursday of last week. If you had purchased right when it was worth about 296 right here, and you held it for just a few days, and that was on, let's see here, that was on Friday. If you held it till actually Monday, if you held it just till Monday, let's say if you held it all the way to Tuesday, it would have went up about 3%. And then if you held it in the Tuesday, it would have went up about 4% roughly. So you're looking at right there, if you had a swing trade right there from late Friday to Tuesday, you could have made a nice 4% gain right there. And also, now later in the week, it was really, really volatile, kind of on the way down. But let's look at an even better part of this chart, the past 30 days. All right, so again, let's go back to about August 25th. If you had bought in right around there and held it, and then let's just say, and now the reason why I'm showing you this way, because sometimes you're not going to time it right. When you're swing trading, you're not always going to time it right. So let's just say you bought in right here, you put in 50 bucks, and then it didn't go up and it went down. When a couple of days later it's down here. Well, at that point, if you want to make money while you're swing trading, you're going to put in, and this is my strategy, you're going to put in 100 bucks right here, 100. So what you're doing is you're lowering your overall cost of the share price. So you put in 50 here, about 150 here. So that cost comes way down. And then what happens is you're going to gain right in this little area right here. You're going to be in profit right around this area right here. So it's not going to have to work as hard to put you in the positive on the way back up. So that's the whole concept of dollar cost averaging on the way down. Now, that doesn't always work, but with a blue chip stock, you can bet your bottom dollar it's going to turn around sooner than later and bring you some type of profit, or it will recover enough to where you can take some profits. And then you can, like as they say, you live to fight another day, and you can continue to dollar cost average with whatever amount you have remaining in there, if you choose to do it that way. That's what I do. Sometimes it works out to where I time it somewhat. I don't want to use the word timing, but it works out to where I got in at the right time, and then I profit within a day or two, and then sometimes it goes down and I have to buy the dip, and then when it goes back up, I will take some profit on the way back up, and then I'll kind of watch and see what it does and adjust from there. But again, as you can see, Tesla is really, really volatile. It can take a pretty good dip, but it could also have a huge gain and recover from a dip pretty quickly. And then if you look at the past year, you can see here the peaks and valleys. If you go back to like October, it shot up right here, and then you had some valleys, peaks, valley, peak, big valley here, and then it kind of went sideways, and then a peak here. So that's why with this being a really strong tech company, a blue chip company, you can definitely swing trade Tesla. And if you're brand new to investing, I highly suggest that you start off trading with $1. You can swing trade or day trade, swing trade, or invest for the long term with just $1 on Cash App. That's the beautiful thing. Now, that's the closest thing that you can get to paper trading, which paper trading is you're buying and selling with monopoly money, pretty much. But with $1, I mean, what's $1 going to hurt anybody? So get your feet wet trading with $1. Then it dips. When it dips 5-10%, you put in $2. Then you put in, if it keeps dipping, go $4, and then see how quickly that thing recovers when it comes back up. And do that as long as you. And hey, I'll be totally honest with you. I'm not buying a whole lot right now. We're in a pretty significant bear market right now. I'm not buying a whole lot. I am investing for the long term, and I'm swing trading here and there. Actually, I'm swing trading crypto right now more than I am stocks, which we'll see if that ends up being a good thing or not. But yeah, I'm kind of leaning on crypto a little bit more right now. But stock investing is my primary. Overall, the stock market is where I focus most of my time and energy. But again, I do both. All right, so yeah. If y'all have any questions or comments about Tesla, about what Tesla is doing right now, or why my opinions are what they are, and give me your opinions. Hey, even if you disagree with me, hey man, let me know. I respect your opinion just as much as my own. So that's all I have for y'all today, man. And I feel like I'm leaving something out. If so, I will do a community post and update y'all. But I think that's everything. Anyway, y'all enjoy the rest of your evening and expect to hear from me tomorrow.